Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on a Redmi 13X. Okay, so first, before we open up our WhatsApp, let's open up the settings and let's make sure that under the Google we are logged into proper account. And what do I mean by saying the proper account? You need to be logged into the same account on which you made the backup before. It is really important because if you select other Google account, there's a chance that you won't be able to restore your chats. Also, if you don't know how to create a WhatsApp backup, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to do it step by step. So if you want, you can look for it. Okay, so now we can open up our WhatsApp. As you can see, the app welcomes us. Select your language and click on agree and continue. We can click on allow to send us notifications, and now in this bar we need to type our phone number. And then we need to verify it by using one of the two methods. It can be called from the SMS message, or for example we can use the missed call function. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I need to verify my phone number. It won't take long, so don't worry. And in my opinion you should also use the missed call function because it works almost immediately. Okay, now it's requesting a call. All right, almost done. Okay, my phone number was verified. And now we have this contacts and media. Now we need to click on continue. Click on allow, and allow all. And as you can see, now we have option to restore our chats. Below we can see the date when the last backup was made. Next to it we have the hour, below the size, and the account on which we made that backup. And as you take a look, it's the same Google account that I was showing you before in the settings of my device. So everything is fine. And now click on restore. Remember that if you don't do it now, there's a chance that you won't be able to restore your chats later. So you should do this right now. Okay, 70%. 17 messages restored, your media will restore in the background. Click on next. In here under the profile info you can type your name and also change the profile photo if you want. Then click on next. And now as you can see, all of the messages including videos and the photos has been successfully restored. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.